The way to know if you're pushing or not pushing in your practice is to notice if you're balanced. If you're just balancing, if you're just sort of effortlessly balanced here. That's better. That's why the practice called stillness is not a tension practice. It's not a holding. It's actually a balancing, effortless balancing. The practice of stillness in our practice is not a practice of tension or holding. It's actually a practice of balancing. Balancing means being able to be still without any effort, even if there's pain or discomfort or whatever. That you come back, and when you're truly balanced, you will be still. And when you're truly still, awareness will begin to come into the foreground. Chi will move, consciousness, energy will move, and presence will start to become more available. That's it. Good. So that's it. Good. It's a really good barometer to seeing if you're pushing in your practice, is whether you're truly balanced and still. Balance is effortless. There's no doing balance.